Hello everyone and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern Christmas tree ideas to decorate your home with best living standard styles. Creating lasting memories. Decorating the Christmas tree is often a family affair, creating cherished memories that last a lifetime. It's a tradition that brings love and together, fostering a sense of togetherness and joy. Express creativity. Christmas tree decor allows individuals to express their creativity and personal styles. Whether it's a theme, color scheme, or unique ornaments, it's a chance to showcase individuality and artistic flair. Fostering tradition. Many families have specific tradition related to Christmas tree decorating, whether it's a choosing a tree together, making ornaments, or sharing sports. These traditions create a sense of continuity and connection across generations. Enhance festive atmosphere. A beautiful decorative Christmas tree instantly transforms a space, infusing it with the festive and magical atmosphere. The twinkling lights, ornaments, and decorations contribute to the overall joyous ambience of the holiday seasons. Symbolize hope and renewal. The evergreen tree, often used a Christmas tree, symbolizes hope and renewal in the mindset of winter. It represents life and the promise of spring. Decorating it becomes a symbolic act of celebrating life and the coming of the new year. Spring cheer to others. A beautiful decorative Christmas tree visible from outside can spread holiday cheer to neighbor and passersby. It contributes to the overall festive spring spirit of the community. Teach value. Involving children in the decoration process teaches them values such as creativity, teamwork, and the joy of giving. It's an opportunity to install the importance of tradition and the spirit of generosity. Create a focal point. The Christmas tree often serves as a central focal point in the home during the holiday season. Its presence becomes a generating sport of family and friends, bringing people together around shared warmth and joy. Encourage mindfulness. Decorating the Christmas tree can be a mindful and meditative activity. Taking the time to appreciate each ornament and the overall design fosters sense of mindfulness and living in the present moment. Celebrating cultural diversity. Christmas tree decor can be express of cultural diversity. Families often incorporate ornaments and decorations that represent their heritage, creating a beautiful tapestry of tradition. Support local businesses. Purchasing handmade or locally crafted ornaments and decoration support local business and artisans contributing to the community during the holiday seasons. Encourage generosity. Some people using their Christmas tree as a way to encourage generosity. Tree decorated with tags for charitable giving or small gifts for other prompts the spirit of giving and kindness. In essence, Christmas tree decor design is not just about embellishing a tree. It's a meaningful tradition that encompasses creativity, joy, togetherness, and the celebration of life and hope during the holiday seasons. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.